Hello guys, this is Ryan and today I would like to tell you about the Commando training. I had to talk with a lot of people and a lot of research was required for this. And in French Foreign Legion, how it happens and what kind of exercise happens for the Commando training. I will tell you list by list and I will also show you some pictures about it so you will have the complete idea. Request you for a subscribe and alert as well as like this video. See, France has many commando facilities around the country. Normally the course is like 3 weeks long and it is more for the specialization techniques for the commandos. 1 week is completed in Mont Louis and it all focuses on mountaineering. And the next week the training is carried out in coast at Collioure. The final third week is more for the red march, okay, like walking a lot of kilometers, long ones. So the first exercise, it's called rappelling and scaling techniques. Like you have to ascend and descend, some kind of structure, you have to catch it and ascend and descend. I'll be also showing you pictures, okay, so you just watch it and I'm trying to explain you in the best ways and you will understand it. It is called confidence and obstacle course. This kind of heavy wire cables from one mountain to another mountain and then the guy has to proceed using his two hands. You really need steel arms for that, and very awesome physique, very awesome upper body, and this is very difficult technique. They give you a lot of supports, through wires and all, but then again if you fall down you will be like hanging with one wire. So yeah, this is pretty tough ones. Third one is instruction on bobby traps and explosives. In this training you will be shown how to employ different kind of explosives in different places. Explosives such as dynamite, shaped and cutting charges, anti-personnel and anti-tank mines, and how bobby traps can be fashioned with this from this material. Normally there is a live demonstration they show you and then hand-to-hand personal training. Fourth is like hand-to-hand combat, hand-to-hand combat. In this they make you really high warm-up, they make you tired a lot until your last breath. You are really tired in this. They make you really tired by making you run first and then hand-to-hand combat. This is physically extremely demanding. You are made to run to the point of exertion for just being yourself warm, so that when you apply certain kind of techniques which they show you, it won't harm both of you because you guys gonna be really tired at the point of exhaustion. We will show you how to escape if someone holds you, tips and techniques. So they're gonna teach you that. How to kick, how to punch, how to kick, where to kick, how to incapacitate the opponent. Also they teach you something really serious like breaking the neck of your enemy. So it is very important to break the neck because it is so sensitive part. Maybe the guy can be physically really strong, but breaking the neck is one of the easiest thing it is called. Fifth is building rope bridges from one point to another between the rivers. There will be a river down and they will be asking you to continue to make the wire, make the two ropes connection between the river and cross it. This is more like a team effort. It's not a personal training, but more like a team effort. The sixth method is like fighting methods for built up areas like towns and cities. The French people have constructed villages, this kind of villages for only for this purpose. In this technique they show you how to enter inside the building with some kind of grenades and ammunitions, but they give you in this technique they give you definitely a fake dynamite and stuff, not the real ones in the training. It is considered one of the toughest and dangerous tasks. The seventh technique for the commando training, instructions on the use of kayaks and zodiacs. You will practice how to flip the zodiac and hide in the air pocket underneath. It is the basic stuff, but it can be really dangerous. Currently we know a couple of legionnaires have been dead in this training. They died in the training part. Something happened in the kayak and they went inside the sea. The eighth technique is a swim in the sea without rucksack, without rifle or anything. A swim in the sea without life vest, rucksack or any rifle. If you can't swim, it's gonna be great fun. And the eighth one is like commando training is never complete without eating the raw sardines with everything like liver, teeth or whatever, asshole. You have to eat the whole sardine and you have to have guts for that. Some raw mussels are also provided for dessert. You have to eat it raw. Your instructor stands there and he watches you. Logic case, if you are on a war, if you are out of food, if you have a river or any kind of pond, lake or anything, you can catch a fish and you can eat raw. So this is training for that. I mean, the instructors eat as if it's a chocolate bar, So in this way, as you complete the third week, so then comes this red march. It's in the third week, I think. In this red march, it is more like tactical exercises and putting techniques. They also give you certain tasks in this red march. It's not a pure simple red march, just walking, but it actually the application of whatever you have learned. So in this red march, they're gonna test you, what you have learned. So they can give you some kind of task. So as you have learned, this is the part of the commando training which I explained you. And for French Foreign Legion, at least you're gonna have the idea what kind of training is there, and also with the photos you got the idea what gonna come. So guys, the same way I'm gonna give you more and more knowledge about this. Okay, my subject is French Foreign Legion, but if you have any problems in psychometric, IQ or any kind of interviews or anything, we are here to motivate and help you. You can contact us on our email ID and we're gonna help you. We can also give you some kind of practice exercises so you will be better in your attain for any army. Alright, so guys, do subscribe. My name is Ryan and I'll be giving you a lot of information. Salute. Oh wow.